Born to serve. A baby girl was born without knowing anything. She opened her eyes without any idea what was happening. But one thing is sure, God has a great plan for her future. While growing up, she learned to pray and read her Bible every day. She loves to listen to her mother, who used to tell Bible stories to her. At the age of 5, she accepted Christ as Savior. Her life became a testimony to their neighbor. She lives her life as a normal child, still ignorant to the truth that the world is wild. One time, she was almost drowned with her father because of a strong flow of the river. She called to the Lord and prayed. That was the reason they were saved. She had many friends in the place where she was born, but the time came that her heart was pricked with thorn. She had to leave them unaware because God called her parents to go somewhere. It was hard for her to leave the people she learned to love, but God called her parents to soar like a dove. It was hard and sad, but it is their duty to reach the unreached and bring them to God. Behold, she was standing in the very spot where her father was almost beheaded, a place where Christ is needed. New faith, new language, and new environment, the place where her parents were sent. She glanced at people who hostage her mother many years ago, but because of God's greatness and power, they let her go. This fearful story became a wonderful memory. That was the beginning of her journey, where God gave her her own story. She became a companion of her parents, surviving life in the tents. As a missionary kid, she has to study wherever her parents has a ministry. She also has to learn the language to be able to witness at any age. She crossed the river and climbed the mountain. Her heart was filled with joy like a fountain. Reaching the unreached people is not that easy, but with a heart like Christ, the impossible you can see. It is true, life is not made to be fair. The enemy is wandering everywhere, waiting for a time to attack when the children of God react. She experienced many trials and pain. Her tears dropped like a rain. She tried to escape from God's will because her heart and body is ill. In spite of what had happened, a message from the Lord was sent. Her life is not her own. She is for God alone. She stands for what she believes is right. She is doing the right thing in His sight. She walks in the path God has made to reach the unreached, to tell them God's love never fades. Now, she is standing in front of you saying, "Oh yes, I was born to serve." To all the missionaries, I salute you, for I myself had experience living in the edge.